This is a healthy lunch, guys, that takes you just 15 minutes to cook. So let's get on with this video. This is a really easy recipe that has just a few ingredients. So for this, you'll need 2 eggs, you'll need 4 mushrooms, a splash of milk just to go with the eggs when they're whisked. You will need a small onion and 1 tomato. You will also need olive oil, and just so that you can get stuff ready, you'll need a chopping board, a sharp knife and an oven-proof dish. And that's it, and in 15 minutes you will have an awesome lunch. Break 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk them up with a bit of milk. Eggs are really good for you, just 13 calories per egg. Mushrooms are low calorie, low carb, really good for you. So give them a wash, peel them and chop them up. Put some olive oil into a frying pan and fry the mushrooms for a few minutes until they are golden brown. So now that the mushrooms are cooked and nicely browned, put them into an oven-proof dish. And then on top of this, add the egg and the little bit of milk that you whisked up earlier. That's difficult to say. But this is then going to go into the oven for just 15 minutes. Put the oven on at about 180 degrees. That should be absolutely perfect. And then just put this, as you can see, into the oven, 15 minutes, and it is ready to eat. Now, tomatoes have vitamin C and vitamin A in, and they are also super good feed. So chop some of those up with some onion. A little bit of the onion and some tomatoes, and just add a little bit of olive oil. You don't need that much. I just also added a little bit of salt because I just cannot eat tomatoes without salt. I just put it into this little container and just give it a bit of a shake. This is ready. Look at this when it comes out of the oven. Absolutely awesome. Enough for 2 people there. It did stick just a tiny little bit, and perhaps I should have put a little bit of oil in here just to stop it sticking. But I just sort of loosened that with a knife, and then it was ready to eat. And it really is just 15 minutes cooking time, and it's awesome. Put that on the plate with the kind of salsa bit that you made and enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm looking to get 1,000 subscribers. It would be awesome to have you on board. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.